Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a background picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. If we want to make our slides more creative and visually appealing, this tutorial is for us. On Microsoft PowerPoint, to add a background picture, all we have to do is right-click anywhere on the slide. Then we will see the Format Background option. Here, we can choose picture corrections, picture colors, or artistic effects. If we want gradient colors, we can select that option. If we want to use a picture, we can choose that option, depending on what we prefer. We can also select a pattern if we like. We can hide background graphics if we want to. It all depends on how we want our background to look. Once we are happy with our choice, all we have to do is click Apply to All, so the background is applied to every slide in our presentation. This will help us set a background image across our PowerPoint slides. We will also walk through adjusting the picture settings, formatting the background, and making sure our text stays clear and easy to read. And that's it. Now we know how to add a background picture in PowerPoint.